YouTube channel DK Physics. I have brought MCQ question from chapter Work and Energy of class 9 Physics. So let us now start the video with question number 1. A body falling from a height h. After it has fallen a height h by 2, it will possess only potential energy, only kinetic energy, half potential and half kinetic energy, more kinetic and less potential energy. So here your correct answer is option C, half potential and half kinetic energy. Now question 2. Which of the following is not the unit of energy? Joule, Newton meter, kilowatt, kilowatt hour. Here you can see option A, B and D. They are the units of energy, but only option C, which is kilowatt, is not the unit of energy. So your correct answer is option C. Now question 3. What store in a dam possesses? Option A, no energy, B, electrical energy, C, kinetic energy, D, potential energy. Here the correct answer is option D, potential energy. Now question 4. The work done on an object does not depend upon the option A, displacement, option B, force applied, option C, angle between force and displacement, option D, initial velocity of the body. So here your correct answer is D, initial velocity of the body. Now question 5. In case of negative work, the angle between force and displacement is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Here you can see the hint. We know that W equal to Fs cos theta. If theta is 180, then work done is negative. So the correct answer is option D, 180. Now question 6. When a body falls towards the earth, then its total energy increases, decreases, remains constant, first increases, then decreases. So the correct answer is option C, remains constant. Question 7. An iron sphere of mass 10 kg has the same diameter as an aluminium sphere of mass 3.5 kg. Both spheres are dropped simultaneously from a tower. When they are 10 meters above the ground, they have the same acceleration, B, momenta, C, potential energy, D, kinetic energy. Here the correct option is A, acceleration. So the correct answer is option A. Now question 8. A car is accelerated on a leveled road and it attains a velocity 4 times of its initial velocity. In this process, the potential energy of the car, option A, does not change. Option B becomes twice to that of initial. Option C becomes 4 times that of initial. Option D becomes 16 times that of initial. Here the correct answer is option A, does not change. You go through the hint given in the box. Now question 9. 1 unit of electrical energy is equal to option A, 3.6 into 10 to the power 5 joule. Option B, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Option C, 36 into 10 to the power 7 joule. Option D, none. Here the correct answer is option B, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Now come to question number 10. If the velocity of a body is doubled, its kinetic energy, option A, gets doubled, option B, becomes half, option C, does not change, option D, becomes 4 times. The correct answer is option D, it becomes 4 times. Question 11. The unit of work is joule. The other physical quantity that has same unit is option A, power, B, velocity, C, energy, D, force. Here your correct answer is option C, energy. Now question 12. The energy possessed by an oscillating pendulum of a clock is option A, kinetic energy, option B, potential energy, option C, restoring energy, option D, mechanical energy. Here your correct answer is option D, mechanical energy. Now question 13. The spring will have maximum potential energy when it is compressed, B, it is pulled out, C, both A and B, D, none. Here your correct answer is option C, both A and B. That is when it is compressed or it is pulled out. Now question 14. When a coil spring is compressed, the work is done on the spring. The elastic potential energy, option A, increases, B, decreases, C, disappears, D, remains unchanged. So the correct answer is A. Question 15. SI unit of power is option A, watt, B, joule, C, Newton, D, meter. Here the correct answer is option A. Question 16. Mechanical energy of a body includes kinetic energy only, potential energy only, kinetic energy and potential energy, none of these. The correct answer here it is option C, kinetic energy and potential energy. Now question 17. Commercial unit of energy is joule, kilowatt hour, watt and Newton. The correct answer is option B, kilowatt hour. Now question 18. Potential energy of a body depends on its option A, position, option B, configuration, option C, position and configuration, option D, mass and velocity. Here your correct answer is option C, position and configuration. Question 19. Relation between kinetic energy and momentum is option A, K equal to P square by 2m, B, K equal to PQ by 2m, C, K equal to P square by m, option D, none. Here the correct answer is option A, K equal to P square by 2m. Now the last question, that is question number 20. Correct formula of kinetic energy is option A, K equal to half mv square, B, K equal to mv square, C, K equal to half mv, D, none. The correct answer here it is option A, K equal to half mv square. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.